Alright, HVAC people, so it's Saturday. We got a customer unit not cooling well, doing the maintenance and a routine maintenance, and found that the unit was low on refrigerant. So I got my scale, got my gauges already hooked up to it, and we're gonna get them charged up. Just a couple pounds low, or even a few ounces. Let's go check it out. Right. Like I say, Saturday morning, I was just doing the maintenance on the unit and came across, they just got the evaporator coil changed out last year, she say. I asked them, did they have a warranty on it? As you can see, we got very high subcooling there, 40-degree subcooling. So we're gonna, that will indicate that we kind of high, but we may have a piston in there, but it indicate we overcharged. I got a time delay on here. All right, folks, so our pressures are superheat. Okay, I'm about to say, cause my pressure look like we low, but my subcooling is real high. If you can see that, 40-degree subcooler, but you see I'm on R22. Let me go back. See, I'm set to R22. Sometimes while I make my videos, I may not be checking superheated subcooler. I'm just checking pressure, especially on like package units or something like that. But I can tell just by my pressures that the unit is a little low. But I'm still gonna let it run for about 5 minutes. But I'm change this R22 right here to 410A. That's gonna change the subcooler. I think we do have a piston. I don't know. I'm gonna double check, so we want to charge superheat. So I'm gonna change this. So I'm thinking that superheat gonna go up. I'm gonna go to 410A. Okay, so there you go. So now I got 40-degree superheat, and I got 5-degree subcooling. But remember, whenever we got real low subcooling, you need to add. If you got high subcooling, like I had on the R22, you may need to take some out, overcharge. And superheat is kind of like vice versa. You got high superheat, you want to add refrigerant to lower this number down. And we can get a wet bulb temp and an ambient temperature outside to get our correct superheat, but or a target superheat. But we definitely want to get this down, probably about 15 or something like that. But let's see. I like to check my temperature split on my evaporator coil also. I mean condenser coil. Pretty much do this by putting the thermometer here and either right here or just ambient temperature. We got a little thing right there here with that lawnmower. Let that sit. So I got about 88 coming out. Let that settle. Charge this as a liquid. So that's 16. 410A drum were 9. So 9 take away, well, 16 take away 9 is about 7 pounds. So I probably got about 7 pounds in here. So we're gonna zero that out. First this. Go ahead. And just a little bit. A little bit at a time. 3 ounces right there. So I don't think it's gonna take much. Saturation 32. Put a little more in there to get above freezing. So I need to set my auto timer off. It's shutting off on me too quick. I got it at 10 minutes. I'm gonna go to, cause I had it off and it would drain my battery. So I'm gonna put it at 30 minutes. And sometimes I'll be on the roof and I be wanting to run my gauges for a while and remember how long I've been running it on my timer. So we'll start the timer over right there. Got about 106 in here. Let's see, got our superheat, subcooling. I'm gonna go see it, verify what kind of expansion valve I got. And we was at 88, we're at 91 now, so we got 3 more degrees out there. And I'm gonna take one of these with me. So I got 72 and 91 at 20. 19, something like that. You can see, so we got a piston, so we're gonna charge this by superheat. Like you see, got a new coil, but like I say, it is low. Alright folks, so we've been running, say 12 here, maybe about 20 minutes. We got a piston, so we're gonna charge it as subcooling. I'm gonna give me a target superheat. Right now I'm at 28, but I can still tell we kind of low. Got a pound in there now. Go ahead and put a little bit more up in here. Alright, so we probably got about 78. Go put me a little wet rag on here and go give me a target superheat. So we got 71 indoor wet buzz, 71. Alright folks, so I'm gonna say about 70 indoor and 75 outdoor. So we just gonna just shoot for maybe like a 5 degree superheat. Let's see here. So right now I'm at 18. About 1.5 pounds in there right now. Okay, so that's about a half a pound I just added. Like I say, we don't want to add too much at one time, but I ain't really scared I'm gonna overcharge it. But I'll do like a half a pound at a time. Go ahead and get it down at least under 10. So many pounds did it originally hold? 10 pounds. Put 3 pounds and stop. My 3 pounds probably gonna all I need. That'll at least get me close. So it's been running probably about, I'll say about 25, 30 minutes now. I got the 5 5 degrees superheat. So that may fluctuate a little bit, so I'm gonna let that run. We'll check back in at that at the 30-minute mark. Perfect right now though. 10 degrees sub cooling, 5 degrees superheat. Like I say, so we've been running this unit a little bit over 30 minutes. I got probably about 4 degree superheat, 10 degrees sub cooling. Saturation is 42 degrees. Suction pressure 124. Liquid line pressure 304. So that's pretty good. Like I say, my target was 5. When I got here, it was 77 degrees in the house, which they wasn't running the cooling, but it's already like 72 degrees at the thermostat. Alright, so remember when I first started, I had like 88 degrees coming out of my condenser. Now I'm at like 104. At 80 right here. That is. So it's probably gonna be around about 25 or 30. Hey, but I'm getting ready to end this video, man. Thanks for watching. We got the charge on it. I wish I would have cleaned this condenser unit up before I charged it up. But I'll just shut it down and clean the condenser coil, and we on to the next. We got a troubleshooting call after this one.